Attribution theory is a way to figure out why people think and behave the way they do. It helps us understand how we explain things that happen around us. Imagine you see someone scoring a goal in a soccer game. Attribution theory helps you answer questions like, why did they score? Or, was it because of skill, luck, or something else? What is attribution theory? Attribution theory is a way of looking at why things happen and how we explain them. It helps us make sense of the world. When something happens, we try to figure out why it happened, and attribution theory helps us understand the reasons behind it. Internal and external attribution. Attribution theory divides explanations into two main types, internal and external. Internal attribution means thinking that someone's actions are because of their own qualities, like skills or personality. If someone scores a goal because they practice a lot, that's an internal attribution. On the other hand, external attribution is when we think that outside factors, like luck or the situation, cause someone's actions. If the goal was because of a lucky bounce, that's an external attribution. The fundamental attribution error. Sometimes we make a mistake in how we explain things. The fundamental attribution error is when we overemphasize someone's personality and underestimate the situation when explaining their actions. For example, if someone is late, we might think they are always lazy, ignoring the possibility that they were stuck in traffic. Self-serving bias. Attribution theory also includes self-serving bias. This happens when we take credit for our successes but blame outside factors for our failures. If you do well in a test, it's because you're smart. If you fail, it's because the test was too hard. Cultural differences. Different cultures have their own ways of explaining things. Some cultures focus more on internal factors, while others consider external factors more. Understanding these cultural differences helps us see why people from different backgrounds may interpret events in diverse ways. Attribution theory is a tool that helps us understand why we explain things the way we do. It helps us see if we give credit to personal qualities or if we blame external factors.